This vehicle is where? Is it where is this one going? Pump site. Pump site 1. Papa, good morning. Good morning. Well done. This one is going to where? Okay. Okay. How many buses?
Hello, I'm here.
Okay. I hope people are enjoying it.
Yes!
Thank you,
sir.
In the heart of Abakaliki, the capital of Ebonyi State, something extraordinary is happening, showing how Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru is putting the welfare of Ebonyi people first. Every day, and skyrocketing fuel prices that are strangling many Nigerians, the workers and students of Ebonyi State are enjoying a huge relief as we speak. Free transportation to and fro their destinations. Isn't this the best news ever? This initiative, spearheaded by Governor Nwifuru, is a lifeline for many families, ensuring that workers reach their jobs and students their schools without worrying about the rising cost of transportation. While other states struggle with the heavy burden of high fuel prices, Ebonyi State is making strides in welfare policies, prioritizing the people over everything else. So, earlier today, Chief Frederick Mwogbaga, the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor on Transport, conducted a brief inspection of the buses running these free services. He stopped by the busy bus stop opposite the police headquarters in Abakaliki, where these buses transport people to and fro several key locations, including FUNAI, College of Education Ikwo, Centenary City, and EBSU permanent site. The buses make 2 trips daily, one in the morning and another in the evening, ensuring a smooth commute for all. People in the state are truly grateful, and you can hear the appreciation and prayers everywhere, directed toward the ever-working Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru.
For you.
It's not every day that a government cares so much about the day-to-day struggles of its people, and Governor Nwifuru has set a shining example of what leadership is all about. This free transportation scheme is more than just a convenience, it's a lifeline, a symbol of hope and a reminder that Ebonyi State is committed to the well-being of its citizens, even in the most challenging times. Be sure to catch more details on this inspiring initiative on Ebonyi People TV, where we'll dive deeper into how this program is impacting life. Do well to subscribe and hit the like button. I will see you in our next video.
Okay. From Presco EP, I proceed to permanent site. I hope people are happy. Thank you.
What do I say?
Yes. Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Good morning. This one is of our field. Good morning. Madam, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Open the door, let me see people inside. Good morning. Yes.
Wait.
How are you?
We are fine, sir.
Where is he going to?
We are going
To where?
FUNAI and college.
Okay.
Ikwo.
Okay.
We are going to yes.
Okay.
College and FUNAI. Our governor is doing very well. We really appreciate him. I want him to even do more than this.
Thank you. So all of you are happy?
We are happy.
Our governor is doing well. I'm the one of the driver.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, don't block us. Where is this vehicle going to?
Centenary City.
For staffs.
Yes, sir.
I hope people are happy.
Yes, we're happy with His Excellency, sir.
I'm not happy with SSA.
No, we're happy.
Thank you. Well, and I'm sure this vehicle used to take you every day.
Yes, sir.
Like how many times?
2 times.
Okay, thank you. We just want to make sure that this vehicle is doing his assignment properly. And you know, our drivers are part of you. I know he's behaving well.
Yes, sir.
And everything about it is very well.
He's good, though.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.